What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So for today, we're actually gonna do a quick little install slash review on some floor mats. And these floor mats are from my friends at Lasfit. These are basically like customized size floor mats that fits certain models, makes and models of your car. So today I have one for the Honda Civic. And there it is, guys. For the Honda Civic Type R. Wait, hold up. I don't think this is for the Type R. Because as you can see there, doesn't have the cutout if you had a manual. This is like for an automatic. Ah, dang, I think I ordered the wrong set. Let me see. All right, so instead of these going back and return, get a refund, so forth, we won't do that. I will actually contact someone who I know that has a Honda Civic sedan. I think it's a sedan 4-door that is automatic. So I will actually hook that person up with these floor mats. So let's go check out his Civic and hook them up. I think I see him. There's yo Fred Mo. Yo, what's up, bro?
Yo, what's up?
Hey dude, hey, check it out. I got some cool things that I could probably hook you up on your car. Yeah, on your Honda Civic.
What do you got?
All right, hold up. All right, check it out, Fred Mo. Boom, look at that. Some new floor mats, man. I'll hook you up with some floor mats. So yes, with these floor mats, it is like custom made for your Honda Civic, where it can fit perfectly, protects your car, protects from snow, dirt, ice, and keeps your floor clean on your car, and probably your shoes, keeps your shoes clean. Yeah.
I mean, not that dirty though.
Yeah, no, not at all. Not at all. So, all right, so this is what I'm gonna do for you, man. I'm gonna hook you up with a car wash. With that car wash, I will vacuum your car. And once it's all vacuumed up, we're gonna install these new floor mats. What do you think, man? You down for that?
Say less.
Ah, there you go. All right, man. So we are in Fred Mo's car. That was Kirby. It's all like Kirby'd out and all that. That's cool though. Kirby's dope. But check it out. We're gonna take it to a car wash. I think this car wash, it's called Quick Quack. So we're gonna get it cleaned up, vacuum it up, and then put those new floor mats. The car wash. Alright, so let's open up this box, see how they look like. I haven't even seen how they look like, so. Here we go. Ooh, yeah, look at this. Alright, so I'll probably have to piece the puzzle to see what goes what and so forth. Alright, I think that's the center and the back. Second row, another part of the second row there. And this probably would be the passenger. And then I think this would be the driver's side. And the reason I would say the driver's side because it has the little lock notches here, which will lock it in place. All right, so it does come with a user's manual, so you could follow the instructions and so forth, but it might be simple enough to understand. Put some floor mats on the floor and should be good. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the floor mats. We got this one, which is behind the driver's seat. Let's keep going this way. Remove the other one here behind the passenger seat. Oh yeah, just like that. And last but not least, we got the passenger side here. Boom. I do have the driver's side already in the trunk, so we'll not worry about that. All right, let's go ahead and install these floor mats starting from the second row, which is the back. So we're gonna start with the center one first. All right, center one, there's this big notch right there that goes right in the facing the front, right? Put that in there, boom, just like that. Very quick and easy. Go back to the floor mats here. Now there is a difference with these floor mats. Let's look at this one. You'll see there's a smaller notch here and a wider notch here, all right? That's gonna be the behind the passenger side. But let's start with the driver's side. So smaller notch here, bigger notch here, all right? Put that in there. Boom, just like that. All right, let's go behind the passenger side. All right, here you go. Let's put that in there. Just like that, look at that. That's the second row, and then now we're gonna focus on the front row. All right, now let's go ahead and do the front row of the floor mats. We're gonna start with the passenger side. All right, so you'll notice with the passenger side, they don't have those notches, which I stated earlier. So that's gonna be the passenger side. Let's install those. Very simple. Just watch out for any kind of phone cords, but it should fit nice and snug just like that. Check that out. Easy, and then let's go for focus next on the driver's side. And last but not least, the driver's side floor mat. Now remember, like I said, you'll know it is the driver's side because it has those little spacings for those latches. So to install them, you just put it in. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. Pay attention to those latches. All right. And it goes down that way. Same on that. And then you have to give it a spin. Boom, just like that. Both sides. Boom, just like that. Now it is very important to have those latches there because so it does not move forward or back, side to side, because it would be an ugly situation if it like pressed on the gas pedal and then you couldn't stop. And you're like, hey, Eric didn't tell me to put the latches on, but hey, I did. So yeah, just put those latches on and you have nothing to worry about. So with Lasfit, they made these floor mats using 3D scanning technology, which is totally awesome. So that's why it is a perfect fit. Now it is also all-weather protection from rain, slush, snow, mud. So easy thing to do. If it does get dirty, you just take them out, especially the driver's side. You unlatch it, take it out, hose it down, let it dry, and then put it back on. Make sure you put those latches back on. And it's also free of allergens, BPA, latex, all those harmful stuffs. Don't worry about it. It doesn't have all that, so you're gonna be good to go. So if you want to get a set of these floor mats, go on lasfit.com and purchase them. And they're also made for many cars from Chevy, Ford, GMC, Honda, Hyundai, even Teslas as well. And not only floor mats, they do sell LED light bulbs, interior, exterior, headlight replacements, and even fog lights. So check out their website at lasfit.com. Click on my referral link in the description and use EricFK815 for an additional 15% off on your total purchase. All right, check it out, lasfit.com. right, so we're driving back at Fred Mo's place. Let's see if we can find him.
Finally back. Jesus.
Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is, waiting for me. Dude, man, what are you doing?
So long.
Did I take that long, man? Really?
Took like 2 seconds. Why you take that long? I was expecting one.
My bad. All right, Fred Mo, check it out. So I got your car cleaned, I got it vacuumed, and I installed those floor mats. You ready to see those floor mats, man?
Show it.
All right, let's go. Let's do this. All right, Fred Mo, what do you think? Check it out.
Dang, look at that. Ooh, this is good. This looks clean.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm telling you.
It's pretty good.
Telling you. So you can check out all of them real quick. Look at the back. What's cool, look at that.
Dang.
It goes all the way through the center too. You see that?
Oh yeah, it's like escalating a little bit.
Yes,
That's
indeed.
nice. Wow.
Yeah, so it's kind of the same thing as the passenger as the driver, but yeah. But one thing I wanted to point out on these, just make sure this latch here is always locked in place in case you have to like remove it to clean it and wash it. Just make sure that latch is always locked in place.
It would be a bad thing if it hit the pedal or anything.
Yes,
Eric
yeah.
told me to,
Yeah, that is right.
Sure he just said something about making sure it's tied. You know?
There you go.
Very important.
You know what's up, Fred Mo.
Always.
All right, Fred Mo. So what do you think about those Lasfit floor mats?
They're pretty nice. They fit on quite sleek. Looks easy to clean because it's all rubbery, whatever material it's called. You know, freaking hydraulic something. I don't know.
Yeah, that's right.
It's pretty good. Looks pretty nice. I like it.
All right, Fred Mo. Any last words you want to say to the viewers out there?
Yeah, I mean, this weather's pretty cold. It's gonna make my knuckles all dry. But
Right.
if you follow me at Fredmo Art, your feed won't be dry because I'm posting art every day
Oh,
at
snaps.
Fredmo Art on Instagram.
Ah, cool.
Oh, very important. I know. I think this Erica always says this. Something like, what is it? Keep smiling, drive safe, keep driving, or something like that, right?
All right, Fred Mo. So check it out. Oh.